How to check PC or laptop specs on Windows 11. Now, key to be reminded, this will only not work on Windows 11. This will also work on Windows 8, 9, and 10. Now, all you have to do, the first method to do is just go ahead to your Windows button right here, type CMD, and then just simply type in system info. Now, this is the first method. The other method is going to be go back to the Windows icon right here and type in system information. Now this is much more specific than any other methods. The other one is gonna be go to your file manager and then right click on this PC, go to properties, and it will automatically route you to your PC settings. So this will be your PC or laptop specs. Now to do this manually, just go to your Windows button right here and go to the settings. From settings, go to system and go to about. There you go. So those are the ways on how you can check your laptop or PC specs on Windows 11.